everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. Well, here I am again with another needlebook on the same design as the ones I've been doing recently in the tutorial series, but they all end up very unique because of the patterns I use, the fabric, and just the little extras that I put on them. So I'll flip through this, stay with me and see if it inspires you to make something similar. So I've got this mid-century modern type fabric on this one. It's in a shade of blue with yellow accents, which I really like. I love the design. And I put one of my plastic PVC circles on there and left it open at the top. I might put a button there and it could act as a pocket. I don't usually put a pocket on the front, but I thought with the design of this it went rather well. The closure is a bow with some ribbon, and I've tied the ribbon in when I've stitched up the sides. So I'll clear these things away and we'll open up and have a look inside. It's rather a busy needlebook. I've made it for my niece. She loves to sew and she makes lots of her own clothes. So on this side I've added, the background fabric is a blue again with some green accents in there and dark blue. I've added some yellow felt to complement the pattern of the cover design, and some nice gold pins, little charm and a heart brad, a pin with a button on. I've added a lovely designed button there and a nice deep pocket here. I printed some designs from our Etsy pack onto fabric and I've just stitched that one on the bottom there, and inside here I've made a little pouch with some buttons in and just a ribbon to close it, and a button card. So you can put lots of buttons in there. A nice sewing machine charm, gorgeous button there that goes again with the design. You can really play around with these needle books and make them very unique. I put some blue buttons down the side here, some blue felt and some beads on a safety pin, needles, pins, another lovely pocket here layered with some lace, another brad. I've got a thimble on some ribbon, and inside this pocket I've got some thread cards and a needle pack from our Etsy pack, and I put a reel of cotton in there, and I've just gone with the colour theme, but you know, she can mix and match all that up. On this page we've got a nice deep pocket which I've lined, and inside I've put some embroidery thread and a little pack of fabrics. There's just some white and some pattern pieces and some embroidery anglaise there. On here I put another one of those labels which says fabric, so that's why I put some fabric in that pocket. Some orange felt, again picking out these colours, lovely buttons, some cotton reels for decoration, little pocket here which I put tape measure in, these gorgeous buttons which I thought went with the theme, and a nice little tree of life charm, and on here you could pin lots of things on, beads, and sew some more buttons on. Another pocket there, and I've just got some nice cards and some extra button cards, and I made up a little notebook just for convenience to have a little thing to write some notes in. On this side I've added some of these lovely buttons again. I got these from the local charity shop. They have a button box and you can buy so many for £1. And then another one of these pockets. I made a pinwheel and a scissor pouch. It's a nice ribbon at the bottom there. That pops in there. On this side I've got another one of my labels, pins, and I've popped some needles and pins in there, some safety pins with beads. I've got a little label here, haberdashery, and a nice little pocket with some buttons, some poppers, a crochet hook, tailor's chalk, and then a thread picker. So everything you could want, you know, to have at hand, and I like to keep mine in my coffee table in the lounge, and it's just handy when I'm doing a few little bits of sewing when I'm sat. So, and I've got the label sew there. I hope you enjoyed looking through that one. Join me again for some more paper crafting and crafting with fabric, and I'll put the link in to the tutorial of how to make this particular design of needlebook. Happy crafting everyone. Bye for now.